just celebrated my 18-year raw vegan anniversary. July 15th marks 18 years of my journey on this raw vegan lifestyle, and I could not be more grateful. This lifestyle has completely changed my life. I went from being 18 years old, a type 2 diabetic, chronically ill and at the lowest time in my life, to now, 18 years later, being a grown, healthy woman and in what I believe to be the best shape and best health of my life. This lifestyle has had such a profound impact on my life that it is the reason why I am standing here with you today sharing this message. I know many people believe or think that this lifestyle or journey is just about the food, but the truth is it's about so much more than that. It's a consciousness, it's an awareness, it's a physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual journey, and a path that I believe leads you back to yourself. I am nowhere near the person I was when I first began this journey. I've grown so much, I have rebirthed myself in so many different ways. I even live in a new place and I am growing my own food now. The beginning of my journey was all about physical healing my diabetes. It took me 1.5 years to naturally reverse my diabetes. And years after that, it brought me deeper emotional healing and mental healing as well, and growth. The chapter of my journey that I'm in now is about alignment and embodiment and truly embracing this lifestyle to the core. I'm over here growing my own food, aiming to live sustainably, educating, feeding, bringing all of those components into the core essence of myself and allowing that to fuel and inspire me on a daily, and it brings me so much joy. I want to give a special thank you to every single person who has been a part of my journey thus long with me and who has supported me and encouraged me. It means the world. Thank you so much. It is an honor and a pleasure to share this space with you, this time with you, and to be in community with you. Thank you for being a part of my journey.